Number 12 deals with radioactive decay, and it gives a scenario that I will read now. After the release of radioactive material into the atmosphere from a nuclear power plant in a country in 1991, the hay in that country was contaminated by a radioactive isotope with a half-life of 6 days. If it is safe to feed the hay to the cows when 11% of the radioactive isotope remains, how long did the farmers need to wait to use this hay? So let's recall that our decay formula is A, which is the amount left over, which equals AO, the initial amount, times E to the K, which is our decay rate, times T, which is time. So we are told that our half-life is 6 days. We also know that our K, which is the rate of decay, can be found with this equation, the ln of 0.5 divided by half-life. So since we know that the half-life was 6 days, we can plug 6 in here. So our K equals the ln of 0.5 divided by 6, which is approximately negative 0.1155. Okay, so let me also plug some other information. So we know that when there's 11%, when 11% of the radioactive isotope remains, that's when they can eat the hay. So it's like when 11% of the original amount remained, or written like this, it equals the actual equation. So this is 11% of the original. And I'm going to put K here, but this value goes right there. So now we can actually solve this. Let's divide the A out to the other side. And guess what? We can cancel the A. So now we have 0.11 equals E to this. So negative 0.1155 times T. So if we take the ln of both sides, we can cancel this E out, and we'll have this left. So the ln of 0.11, which was the percent we were given, equals the ln of E to the 0.1155 times T. Oops. That's all that. Now, remember, an ln of E cancels. So all that we have remaining is this. So we have ln of 0.11, which equals negative 0.1155 times T. So let's divide this to the other side and get T by itself. So T, or the number of days they had to wait till they could eat the hay, is equivalent to this. And if you put that in your calculator, you'll get approximately 19.1065. And I believe it asks you to round to 1 decimal place, so that would round to 19.1 days.